welcome back to another video. Snack Cookie Along. Today I am with my friend named Kaden.
Hi.
Anyway, everyone knows my name is Sky. We brought a container for no reason. Slime just for fun, and Kaden, why not bring the stuff in?
So we have Model Magic.
Not sponsored by any of this stuff.
We have glue and borax.
Yeah, don't hold it up.
We have markers to color the slime. We have lotion that smells like strawberry.
Smell my hand.
We have,
I used it. More
Model Magic. And
just like slimes in there.
And then all my slimes.
Even Pluto. You got one of those Slither IOs. And everyone, you should.
And I have a squishy.
Sniff me. You smell like, I don't know. You smell weird. Okay, anyway, guys.
It's bent.
Today we are going to be using bowls right now. This is going to get messy, so that's why we use plastic. Like, I am plastic.
Wait, we should do a challenge.
You just said that on camera. It's okay. We're not going to do any challenge, but we're going to make slime, so we can use glue and borax.
So you
Do we
can
need
use
water?
glitter glue. No. We can use glitter glue. Oh, yeah, we do.
Glitter.
We do.
Can you go get a cup and fill it with water?
Sure.
The cups are in the cabinet.
Which cabinet?
The last one's near the fridge. They're high up. Not too high. No, not sponsored, remember. Glitter! But guys, this is lit. Oh yeah, the last slime. It's not slime, clear glue. Why don't you get that in your head? Oh yeah. And let me just move all this crap out of the way. Hey guys. Ooh! It's a game about new Robux on new tunes. Anyway guys, here's the borax. And yeah, that's really all. I don't know what I'm gonna use, guys. Should I use glitter glue? I think I should. Anyway, Kaden, do you got the water filled? Okay, Kaden's back. I showed all of them the stuff. So yeah, it was fun. But anyway, we are gonna start making slime. Anyway, what do we need first? Don't we need glue first? Oh, borax in.
Oh, darn it.
What?
Forgot to do a spoon. Can you go get a spoon?
There's plastic one. I promise. It's right in there.
Where?
You know where, like, right next to the
pause it?
No.
Oh. Wait, it's not like my phone that
No.
can do that?
No. But guys, I'm gonna go get the spoon. You talk to him, okay?
Okay. What should I talk about?
Whatever you want.
Okay. So, me and Sky are having a sleepover, so, yeah. And we both play softball, so that's how we met. We don't go to the same school, though. She goes to a different school. Yeah. Did you get 2?
No, 1. And 2 plus.
Okay. So, you can do white glue and you can do glitter glue.
Can you make some?
By the way, I also do have a slime room.
Ooh. Anyway, guys, let's get started. So I'm going to mix this.
Yeah.
So borax water.
Okay, so, we should do it blindfolded.
No.
Yeah.
I don't think we should because it's my first time making slime for real.
Really?
Yeah. I'm going to use all your glitter glue.
don't use all of it. You can use most of it, but I don't want to use all of it because
I'll buy you some or pay you.
you can pay me.
I'm
No,
mixing these two.
Don't use all of them though, because
No,
I
I
really want
won't.
to use the blue one. Oh, by the way, guys,
Maybe I should start putting this one down.
oh, by the way, my crush said he has a YouTube channel. You should
Who?
go check it out.
Who is it? Who's he?
He's at my school.
Okay,
But
this
he
is
used to
gonna
be-
take
He used to be
forever.
my crush in like third grade.
Aw,
Aww,
that's cute.
so cute, so romantic. Do you have the green or the blue?
Yeah. I'm not using all of it. Like, this is how much I can get out. I'm gonna add also clear glue, so yeah.
Did you
Oh,
do you
crap.
ever do you ever upload your videos
Yeah.
to actual YouTube?
Yeah,
You do?
yeah. Why?
I don't know.
My
I
turn!
always wanted to be on YouTube. You just saying. Can I watch some of your videos then?
Sure, we can watch my videos! Woo!
So what things do you do in your videos?
Like, everyone knows, so I mostly do vlogs.
You do?
Yeah.
I always wanted to
I
start.
yell at 2 kids.
I always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but
Well, now you are.
I always wanted to be on YouTube too. But Morgan's not allowed to be on, and like other people that I know. So
And you're allowed to be on the internet.
Yeah.
You know that was the blue one, right?
what? That actually looks really cool.
You copied my style almost.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm putting in more pink though, because it's mostly blue. I'm just gonna actually put this upside down somewhere in the candle. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay. Do your thing. Now do your dance. Do your dance. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna start
and you can also
stirring.
put glitter in. Just don't put all of it in,
Yeah, I'm gonna put some in.
especially this one, because it's little. So we have this glitter.
Oh, I
And then we have
purple
this
Kaden.
Really?
Yeah.
Mine's still slowly coming out. Oh, and you can also.
I
add
made
lotion, too.
purple. You jelly? Are you jelly?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know.
No, for real.
Mm.
Will you open this thing?
Oh, jealous.
Yeah, jelly.
Wait, save some because, oh my gosh. I put in a whole bunch of, look how much I put in. I have a really good idea. We should do one of those, like, where you can see, like, we should do a vlog.
Don't try
then.
this at home.
We should do a vlog then.
This
Well,
is
you
a
can
vlog.
try making slime at home, but not doing whatever she's doing.
Ah! I eat plastic.
It's, oh, mine's all shimmery.
Oh, crap. Can you get that? I'll mix. Yours is a purple like mine.
Sorry.
Give me your
you put
lotion.
your mouth all over.
It's fine. I don't care. Woo! I added a whole bunch. Add more. Can I add my
There's
own?
only a little bit, and we're
Can I
gonna
add
do
my own? I'm just adding a tiny more sprinkle.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Mine looks good.
Mine doesn't. So I'm still going. I'm trying to make a lot of slime. I take it. Oh, by the way, I let Kaden try on onesie, but that didn't work.
Do you ever go to the store and film?
No. I
do.
only did that once.
I do.
Ooh!
Do you do dares?
Sometimes.
Like Jake Paul?
Yeah, sometimes. Ooh! Ooh, that's sticky.
Whoa.
That's sticky. Why is that sticky?
I don't know. Look how cool mine looks.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh! Oh, mine's goopy.
Mine is too.
Is that supposed to happen? I said it
I
completely
guess.
wrong. Okay, anyway.
Alright, I can't wait. And then you. Okay.
I think we should add more borax.
Where did you go for vacation?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Vacation for what?
You didn't go on vacation?
No, I never will. I'm going to Disneyland in a year. I'm going to spill this if I don't stop dragging my butt all around the city, yeah. More.
Thank you. I actually needed more, and I was going to ask you.
More. We each got 2 scoops. And mix. I'm actually trying, guys. Trying so hard. Ooh. Mine feels way better now. I'm starting more and more and more.
You
Don't
have
overact.
to do it with your hands, though. Because that makes, like, a good slime. Did you ever know that?
Yeah. I know, but right now I need a mix.
I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just saying, like,
I know. You are rude.
I know. I'm so rude. It's a shocker.
This isn't that nice as you think it is. So that's why. Model magic.
Not a lot, though, because then we're doing the clay. Like, we're making that cool clay. Then rub your hands together to get it off. Or just do what I'm doing.
Ah. Need more. Why not add some more to yours? Add more.
But you don't want it to be, like, too, like...
I know. This isn't that much as you think it is.
Can I feel yours? Here. I'll help yours. Wait, mine's sticky.
Yours is better than mine. I want yours. That's mine. Is it good?
Yeah, if you let it sit, it's good.
Anyway, guys, look at my hands. Rubber, scrub that. Ba, 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 ba. Can you give me my clay?
Just put a little bit in. Because if you put a lot in, then it's not going to work.
Now mixing time. Boop, 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 boop. Mine feels like putty.
Really?
Yeah, my slime.
Your slime feels like putty. So it's it's really putty.
Yeah, it feels like putty. It won't stretch. Like yours. So I'm going to add more lotion.
I almost fell off the chair.
I thought you farted for a minute. I'm like, did she fart?
We should do a vlog of us going up into, like, the hills and stuff like that. Like, we should both do, like, a vlog and then see which one's better. Kind of do, like, a challenge. That would
Yeah.
be cool. We should do that after.
This is good. Look.
It's cool.
It's actually good. Can I actually have yours? Mine's purple. Can you make mine better like yours?
Yeah.
Mine sucks.
At least you're being honest, you know. Most people are like, mine's so good. It sucks so bad.
Yeah, I like being honest, guys. If you're honest, leave it in the comments below and say,
I'm honest. No, go hashtag I'm honest.
hashtag honest. Can you actually help mine?
Yeah.
Can I play with yours then?
Yeah.
Okay, here's my ball. Now fix my slime.
Guys, wait here. Look, I'm going to show them. I'm calling mine unicorn slime.
Yeah.
It's white unicorn slime.
Yeah.
Wait.
I want to play with yours.
Wait, yours is good.
This. Fix mine. Make it softer and fluffy. Why not mix
Whoa,
a
yours is cool too.
This
You want
doesn't
it to be like
crunch.
putty?
No, not like putty.
Oh, okay.
Be like magic.
Here, give me. I have more lotion too.
Where's your slime? Oh. It needs more lotion.
And then we'll do an ASMR. And I actually looked at it
I'm adding way too
yesterday.
much extra for you. I'm actually trying to make yours better.
Here. I tried to make it the best I could.
How is it?
It's good. Oh, I have a good idea.
What? Make slimes.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna say. Hey! Don't
Oh,
put my
sorry.
slime into yours.
Oh, now mine won't close.
Your slime feels fab.
Feel this one.
Ooh, wait, I'm not done with yours.
Wait, don't add a whole bunch of borax
I'm
because
a-
then it's not going to be good if you add a whole bunch of borax in it.
I added a tiny bit.
Oh, yours is going to be like this peach color.
I want to mix the slime into yours.
Wait, here. Okay, here you go.
Wait, I want to mix yours. Can I do yours, please?
I want mine white.
No, I'm adding a tiny bit. You fix mine, I fix yours. Come on, it's smudge. It's still gonna be white, I promise.
Wait, is this a good slime?
I'm not sure.
I guess I'm not sure either. So we're
It's gonna be
done.
like this tinted pink.
Here.
Ooh, dang! Subscribe if you like my singing.
I'm just the quiet one over here. I'm just kidding.
How is yours like that? Oh, yeah! I sound like Miranda.
Miranda sings.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. By the way, I love you. Miranda sings. You're actually Colleen. I know who you are. Because I watch your videos and I subscribe to your vlog. And I know your sister's Rachel.
Hashtag I know your sister's Rachel. I don't know. Whoa. Look at this one.
Can I have some of that?
Maybe.
Huh.
I like mine.
Yay!
Wait, here, it's cricket.
I don't care.
Oh!
She with the baseball bat. Do you want to make clear
Where's-
slime?
What?
Do you want to make clear slime?
Clear?
Yeah.
Sure. I was like, clear? Oh, really?
Okay.
What's clear? Here, wait.
Okay. New balls.
Here, wait.
We need new balls.
I thought you said
Scooch that
balls.
booty.
I thought you said
that.
balls.
Did you use the whole container?
No. I just hit it. So, my slime's pretty good. Wait, I have a good idea. Let's do like, let's zoom in and then let's see like.
You're literally
which
saying
one's
that
good.
to everyone in the whole entire world.
I know.
I'm already making clear slime. You should start making yours. Like now. Seriously though.
Oh, here's the pumpkin. Oh, I just dumped that. How do you? Wait, can you stop doing that real quick? Just real quick.
Okay, that's enough. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
It's farting. And mine's a pink
Oh, that's
unicorn.
sticky.
Mine's a
Sticky,
pink
sticky,
unicorn
sticky.
slime. Here,
sticky,
wait, show yours.
sticky.
Show this one.
You show it.
Here, you show it. Why I quit ketchup on my slime.
I can't. I actually can't. Because look at me. This isn't clear. You know that, right?
Yeah, because you wait for it for like 5 days and then it's clear.
What?
But you can't touch it.
What?
You can't touch it. Oh, my hands are sticky.
Give me
Wait.
some glitter.
Here, I just wanted to show them your slime real quick. I kind of like your slime, but then I
Thanks.
like my slime too. Cause my slime is more like a putty, and yours is more of like an actual slime. Oh, something.
Because you said you wanted yours to be like a white.
Yeah, mine's pink. As you can tell.
Hear that crunch?
Here.
Help me.
Help me, help me.
No, seriously.
Girl, what you trying to do? Cause I don't got a clue. No, I ain't no Scooby-Doo.
What the?
Cause I'm hungrier than you. I just wanna get some food and you about to kill a move. You
Borax!
make me look back. Yeah, I know you want the answer, but I'm smart enough to trip. Oh, and here's a random fact. You suck on my favorite hoodie and you need to give it back. Ain't that I ain't calling back.
I almost got borax in my eyes.
So I'm staying out your way. Ain't that I ain't calling back. It's just you and I love your way to make a K a lowercase.
Ah!
Oh,
Can
wait,
you help?
It's zoomed in.
Can you help me? Seriously. Emergency.
Yours is small.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Oh, it's because you didn't get all of it in your bowl. Here, wait, let's like zoom in just a little bit. Yeah, put your slime here, right here.
Booty scoochie? Oh, I forgot lotion too. That's why.
Oh, right here.
Give me the lotion!
No, don't put all of it in.
Too much.
Because I'm going to put some.
I don't care anymore. We don't care anymore.
We don't talk anymore.
Like
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean actually. Here, you can do it to me. We don't love anymore. Oh, it's down on the floor. I'm just such a bad singer.
we don't talk anymore.
Oh, so I was in
We don't-
school.
Hey, what do you have my slime? You have my slime. That's my slime.
Sorry.
Oh, that's not that good of a slime. Wanna give me some of that glue? That gooey, really, ooh. Ha. You hear that?
Yeah, it's farting. Oh, I just added a whole bunch.
Good. No offense. Like, right, I'm gonna add some markers to it.
You have to wait until it's done.
Oh, the slime.
Yeah, until it's like you're all done, and then you can actually like play with it, like that one. I might get this dish all mine's still sticky.
Do you use the same bowl? Oh no, you didn't. Mine is too, girl.
Okay.
And now I'm adding more glue into it, so that's why. I'm making it like blue. Mine's like sticky.
Mine is too.
I'm gonna add some. And then I'm gonna add some.
Stop.
Yeah.
Sorry. Like stop. 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 Stop.
Enough.
Look at my cricket smile.
Oh, sorry, neighbors. I hate you anyway.
Your neighbor's all the way up there, though.
No,
Oh, I
do you
thought you
hear
were
that?
actually gonna.
Mine actually isn't bad.
Mine's like still kind of.
Do you hear that poke? Oh! No. This is an old table.
It isn't.
It is.
I thought you said it isn't my table. I was like, what?
Can you give me some slime?
What do you mean?
Like the slime I just used. Not that kind.
The other.
Like, give me a slime that would make this into a pretty sparkly unicorn color.
Can I feel yours real quick?
How is it?
Wow.
How does yours feel?
Sticky.
That's not sticky.
Well, it's not that sticky, but since I have this slime on my hand, it's just sticking to it. I'm trying to make it break. There you go. So you had a lot of lotion.
Are you jealous?
Are you jelly?
No, are you actually jealous of mine?
No.
I like mine.
Just because I'm not that kind of person who's like, oh my gosh, you stole my book.
No, I didn't.
I'm so jealous. Like, no, like a boyfriend. Like, oh my gosh, that was my boyfriend. I'm so jealous. Jelly. Don't use all of that. I still need that for school.
For real. Well, I'm
Don't
sorry.
Don't use all of it.
Is it too late to say sorry?
Is it too late?
I say sorry, 'cause I'm
missing more
than just your body. That sounds weird.
Oh, oh, oh. Is it too late
Now to say sorry, 'cause I'm not
let
letting
you
you
down?
down.
Is it too late to say
sorry
sorry
now? Ooh,
Sorry. Yeah.
yeah.
Ooh, ooh, sorry. Yeah.
Do you want to try it? Do you want to see if I can make a bubble?
Sure.
Ready, set, go! Oh, I didn't make... More
Okay.
slime!
Don't use all my glue. Too late.
Is it too late now to say sorry?
Okay, so we each make one more since we already made 2. We're each gonna make 3. But this one's gonna be a
set,
small one.
squeeze! Squeeze!
These are mine too.
John, do you want to mix all of them?
I kind of do, but then I don't. Like, oh, here comes your mom. No, I have a really good idea. We should mix that slime.
That's not the best slime. That's like the worst slime for me. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Did you hear me loud and clear? Oh, baby, why not zoom out? Why not zoom out?
Yeah. Let's zoom out.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. Hi.
You know, my mom doesn't know we made slime,
She doesn't.
but she will know now. Making slime. She's not mad this time, guys. And add. Yeah, and you better wash the showers. I hope you did. Yeah. I'm on my 3rd slime. But it isn't that much.
Guys, do you guys dare me to put this slime in this slime?
Yeah.
I'm doing it
Why would you do it?
because I'm dumb.
Clearly you are. No, I was just joking. Guys, we're best friends, so we would never actually mean it.
I'm just kidding.
What
I
did
was
you
like-
do?
For best friends, but I was just joking.
Not best friends?
We are sister.
How you doing, girls?
Good.
Slimy.
Slimy, yeah, slimy.
Guys, I'm making so much slime right now.
Oh,
Sensamina.
here we go again.
And ready, set. Me.
Whoa, yours is good. Yours is better than mine. I'm only making 2.
But I'm making slime.
Can I have some of this? Can I trade you something? Can I trade you a squishy for this?
All that?
No.
You may have sample.
Yeah, that's like this big.
No.
As big as a squishy.
No.
Why?
Look how small this slime is. Give me more, you slimies. Give me some of that slime, please. Oh, crap. Help! Ah! Slime got on clothes. I'm sorry. No! Pick the slime off of mine real quick. Quick. Quick, this is brand new. No, my clothes. Kaden, now. This is a slime veil. It's good enough.
These are new pants.
I'm sorry. Well, we got messy.
How dare you? Just kidding. Wow, that was really loud. And mean.
I'm sticking my hand in this.
Really?
Yeah, it's gonna help. I know it is. See? It's helping. Well, I'm gonna wash my hands off with the hose.
With those. Oh my gosh. My lotion is somehow in the slime. Guys, this is such a jiggly slime. I like it. Sky thinks it's like a really bad slime. Wait, guys. Guys, look. This is my slime. Oh, wait. There's zoom. This is my slime, and then this is my slime. Another slime.
This is the worst. Hey, it isn't so bad. I'm not using it.
But you only can make 2.
Oh! Guys, how do you rate my slime? You almost got slime in my hair.
I know. Sorry.
Feel this.
Should we make a vlog? I want to make a vlog.
Here, feel this. Oh, I think.
It's okay. You just go like that. Oh my gosh.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
I let it sit.
Look. Feel this.
Kids, make slime at home.
I like this.
Make slime in your house.
Or outside.
Ready? Ready, Kaden? Oh, wait. Crap. Ready? Are you ready, kids?
I'm going to make a bubble. Guys, ready? Dang, girl.
I'm going to mix this.
Oh, that's a bad idea.
No, it isn't.
Okay. That's not.
I do this a lot, Kaden.
Oh. Can you go get bags, please?
No.
Please?
No, ask Mom.
Really? Where is she?
She's in the house.
Well.
Come on.
Oh my gosh. I didn't even see the glitter at the bottom. I like this slime a lot. I wish you guys could feel through the camera. Oh, wait, that sounds weird.
I wish you guys could feel this slime.
Can I feel it? Wow.
You should mix your slimes.
I don't want to. Just because this one's really light. Oh. You used all of it. I'm going to use the rest.
I'm going to use the rest of this.
No, don't. Don't use the rest here, because I want to use some too. Sorry. Has anyone figured, like, I say sorry a lot.
Same. Sorry.
I'm always like, sorry.
Same.
Like, I accidentally hit my dad in the head with the softball. Or, like, no, not the softball,
Bat.
football. And I'm like, sorry. And then I did it again. And I'm like, sorry. And then someone else did it. And I'm like, sorry. 3 times in a row. Oh, I thought this was like,
Give me slime.
don't use all my slime though.
No, I'm using this.
Because I don't, no.
Why? Can I feel
Because
it?
I only have a little bit.
Can I feel it?
Yeah. But don't add it in because I only have a little bit of that.
Can I add some model magic?
No.
Why?
Because we're using that for the thing.
That thing.
The clay. We're making clay.
Goodbye.
Okay, now let's make a video. I mean, like.
Anyway, guys, that's it for now. So, goodbye.